Hi, I'm Mark Polk with RV Education 101. A common repair made on RVs is resealing or replacing a window. In most cases, the owner takes the RV to a service facility to have the repairs done. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how the do-it-yourselfer can reseal and replace RV windows using this new Seal-Tite Foamcore window kit. Let's get started right now. The Seal-Tite Foamcore window kit by Seal Design and Reseal brand comes with everything you need to do the job. There are two rolls of the newly developed hybrid Seal-Tite Foamcore. These rolls are 5/16 inch round and 44 feet in length for a total of 88 feet of material. That's enough to do several windows, depending of course on the size of the windows. What's unique about the Seal-Tite Foamcore is it requires no trimming, it will not sag or ooze, and it has excellent temperature resistance in warm and cold climates. The round shape of the Seal-Tite Foamcore allows precise placement around the window radiuses, and it will not gap, fall off, or roll. Next are two 10.1 ounce cartridges of Dynaflex 230 clear finishing sealant. The Dynaflex 230 is very unique with its color acclimation change from white to clear. This means the user can see where they are placing the sealant when it is applied, but it dries to a clear, clean finish that looks good on any RV's exterior. You also get a putty knife to clean the surfaces, a spray bottle for finishing the sealant, and sheet instructions. Let's remove and reseal a window right now. On the interior window frame, locate the screws securing the clamp ring. Remove all of the screws using the correct screwdriver tip. Remove the clamp ring from the window. Now you can remove the window. Use two people, one person on the inside pushing the window outward and another person on the outside to help take the window out safely. Next, we can clean the old sealant from the window and from the exterior metal or fiberglass surface on the unit. Use the putty knife provided in the Seal-Tite Foamcore window kit. After the old sealant is removed, clean the exterior surface of the unit and the window with a suitable cleaner. Seal Design recommends using denatured alcohol on a clean cloth. On units with metal exteriors, inspect the staples securing the metal around the window opening. You might have to replace old staples that have rusted. Remove the old staples and restaple the metal to the framing. Starting at the bottom of the window, where the component's weep holes are located, install the new Seal-Tite Foamcore tape sealant around the window frame, leaving no gaps. Position the Foamcore roll approximately 1/8 inch in from the window edge. Overlap the tape 3/8 of an inch where it meets at the bottom. Seal-Tite Foamcore requires no trimming. This advanced foam-coated elastomer does not sag and has excellent memory characteristics. When reinstalling the window, have one person outside the unit and the other inside to assist. Make sure the window component is right side up with the weep holes in the window at the bottom. Install the interior clamp ring. Starting with the upper left screw, begin primary fastening in an opposite screw position pattern. For example, upper left, then lower right. Lower left, upper right. Left middle, right middle, until all the screws are fastened securely. Do not over-tighten the screws. Finish the process by applying the Dynaflex 230 clear finishing sealant, starting on top of the exterior window frame and then around the top window radiuses. Dynaflex 230 applies white for easy sight application and dries to a clear color. Simply use water in the spray bottle and tool the sealant with your finger for a nice finish seal. Dynaflex 230 contains no solvents, is 100% waterproof, and cleans up with water. That's all there is to resealing a window in your RV. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, you can order the Seal-Tite Foamcore window kit at www.sealdesignllc.com. If you don't feel comfortable making these repairs to your RV, have the repairs done by a reputable RV repair facility and let them know you want them to use the Seal-Tite Foamcore window kit. Happy camping!